I'm Michael, I'm the structural foreman. We're doing a pour in Forest Grove, a new basement. This slab, it's a little over 900 square feet, and it had cracks and water coming up through the cracks. We left the water guard that was down there, and then we placed drain mat, and then taped it all, and now we're here pouring it. Having a new person move into this house, it's a rental, and person moving in has some health issues, and so they were getting a lot of water coming up through the cracked floor. With this being re-poured, we will not have any more water issues in the basement anymore. He was just pulling the concrete back so that should keep the grade a lot flatter than what it was. It's level and it's not wavy and humpy and everything. We're using a laser level instead of having grade set. We use the laser after we get the concrete to our grade, and then we were rodding it off. So this is called a zip strip. You push this in the concrete. Once it's in there, it goes all the way down flush, about a 1/4 inch. You pull this top off. This gets remained in the concrete. And instead of coming back in here and making saw cuts through there, this is what it would look like, but a really small hairline crack is what you'll see. Now we're gonna go crawl it and finish it up and give it a smooth finish. It'll have a nice shine to it. Now with the drain mat, the new concrete being down, it sealed up the floor and there's gonna be no leaks coming up, and it'll be healthier for the homeowner now.